Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe Ali and Sarah Islamic Kids channel.
Mess doesn't arrive all at once. It builds quietly, when no one is paying attention.
Alee, clean your room. I'm not asking again. I'll do it later.
He forgot again.
There's more food today.
And more dirt. Then we grow.
He ignores us again.
Grow, 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 grow.
Ugh, what is this? Ugh. I'll clean it later. Ugh, what is this? I'll clean it later.
Whoa, it smells weird in here.
I just remembered. I gotta go. He loses them one by one.
More!
This room is ours.
Who's there? Real!
I am what you created.
No,
Oh.
this isn't real.
You fed the mess. You ignored the warning.
What do you want?
Everything.
How do I stop this?
Remove what feeds us.
Time to clean up. Take that, germs. Ha! Now you're gone. Much better.
No.
No!
You need us, gun.
No, I don't. Alee, did you clean all this? Alee, did you clean all this? Yeah, I did.
Mess doesn't stay small. It grows until you decide to stop it.